In this video, we will show you the network overview of Stackbill application. Login into the Stackbill portal. To acquire a new public IP, click on the Network option under Cloud menu. Then click on your network and select the Public IP tab. Click on the Acquire New IP button. Accept the terms and conditions and click Yes. A new public IP has been assigned to your network from your IP pool. Now, you can assign this IP to an VM for public access. Please refer the previous video to enable public access to an VM. Also, you can use the security groups as firewall template for your network. You can create new security group using the Add button. It contains ingress rule, firewall, and port forwarding options. You can assign this security group as a template to a network. Thanks for watching this video. Please check the help page for more information.